Hello, friends. Vince Burlapp here. Today we are looking into the future. This new car is called an Afeela, and it is coming out in 2 years. It is the result of an unholy and futile partnership between Honda and Sony. Why isn't it called a Honda or a Sony car? This will be a mystery forever, shrouded in corporate secrets and unknown motivations. A business enigma that makes no sense to anyone except the company suits who came up with the very expensive, dopey idea. Creating a new brand is expensive, but establishing a new name brand when you already have two perfectly fine ones is just plain dumb. In a desperate attempt to be different, the Afeela has a screen where the front bumper should be. If that sounds like a stupid idea, it's because it is. The screen can display various mindless animation or video games related crap that can be fed to it from your phone. You can also check the information you already have on your phone, like the battery level of the car, something everyone outside apparently needs to know. Another thing everyone needs to know is your birthday and your name, or where you are going and how many miles you have left. All that personal information is now available to anyone crossing the street in front of your car. It can also tell everyone what you drive, since no one knows what an Afeela is. It also gets your name wrong. I guess today, my name is Sue. Let's get inside that new Afeela car, shall we? The dashboard has basically been replaced by a giant screen, and the steering wheel by a video game controller. Oh wait, there is a video game controller right here. Except for the screen, everything seems very nice and simple. The Afeela has even more screens on each side for digital side mirrors, but also has regular side mirrors, which is just plain stupid. Oh, look, even more screens, in case I get bored back there and need to watch a couple of cat videos of people slipping on ice. There's a nice glass roof. Nice, but not new, since lots of cars have one these days. The rear screens look like cheap versions of an iPad. And why not? Sony and Honda desperately need to save money, don't they?
You can also zoom in and have a little 3D rendering of the map as well. Now say you want to change the theme of the vehicle. Not only do you change the theme, you change the ambient lighting and the e-motor sound as well. So I'll show you an example of that. That's the e-motor sound for Afeela. Say we want to go to Gran Turismo. That's the Gran Turismo e-motor sound, but we'll go to Spider-Man. Now notice the panoramic screen that you see in front of you, spanning from the left to the right, helps to reduce driver eye distraction, making it easy to just look left and right for everything important that you need to see. You also have rear seat entertainment where you can watch and listen to. You can watch a variety of TV, movies, you can listen to music, and play video games. We are
fake car noises from a superhero movie, TV, movies, and video games in a car sound like a nightmare to me. Or am I just an old chunk of coal? Materials are very nice on the Afeela multi-million-dollar prototype. And look, you don't even need to open the door like in a Rolls-Royce, although many cheaper Chinese cars already offer this. And I want it right now, on every door, car, home, store, farm. I want this everywhere. I could play with this for hours. Just imagine how important and significant you will be to your friends and even your family. The king of cool, that's who you will be. For as long as you live. The new Afeela seems to be a confused car, a product that is trying too hard to be relevant, just like a schizophrenic. It doesn't know what it is. A car trying very hard not to be a car, striving to appeal to everyone and ending up feeling like an overdressed clown at the prom. Like so many of us, it just wants to be loved.